Okay, guys, so I'm going to do a quick recording, so don't mind me. So the warm-up here, we're pretending it's February 1st. We're offered a one-time payment of $100,000. So on February 1st, we can get $100,000, or we can get a penny on the 1st. Okay? But it doubles every day until the end of February. So on the 2nd, it'll be 2 pennies. On the 3rd, on the 3rd, it'll be 4 pennies. On the 4th, it'll be 8 pennies. All the way down. So which one is more profitable and why? Well, so you can pause this and work it out for yourself if you'd like to. But if you just keep doubling this, it's going to be 16 cents, 32 cents. Whoa. Oh my goodness. 64 cents. $1. 28. And this is 5, 6, 7, 8. And then $2.56. And then $5.12. So 9, 10. It doesn't look like it's coming close to 100,000 at all. But as you see here, even on day 20, we're only at $5,000. But let's take this a little bit further. All right, so here we see on day 25, we're actually surpassing the $100,000 mark. And here on day 28, we're over $1 million. So it turns out that the $100,000 was not the best choice. So what I need you to write down in your warm-up that is most important is the following right here. Your exponential growth model is going to be y is equal to A, the initial amount, times B, the growth factor, or what you're multiplying by, raised to the x power, which is time. So in this case, our equation would be y is equal to 0.01 times 2 raised to the t power, or x, or whatever. And I could have easily figured this out by actually plugging in 27, because only 27 days actually passed since the beginning. Since I started at t equals 1, I wouldn't put 28 here. I would actually put 27, because that's the time had passed from 1 to get to 28. But had t started with 0, I would plug in 28. But here you plug in 27. And then you would get that, you would have been able to predict it easily by plugging in 27. And that is going to equal, let me plug it in. I know what it is, but might as well plug it in. Yep, $1,342,177.28. All right, guys. So just remember this. You're going to need this on the activity today. So now go and do the zombie apocalypse activity. Take care. Bye.